This is Kendall the scientist, and today we're going to be playing with fog machines. I have a special guest right here, my grandpa.
Thank you.
And he is actually a real scientist, and he has a doctor's degree. So, these tiny little things right here are fog machines. So what you do is you put them in the water, and then you have to plug this in to that. Then you have to plug this in to a power outlet. So right now my grandpa is going to be telling you the science behind the fog machines.
Okay, thank you, Kendall, for that introduction. I'm going to pull one out. And this is not running. If you look right down the center, there's about a quarter-shaped object in there. It's silver. That's a vibrating plate. It vibrates so fast that it literally breaks the water into small droplets.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah. Now think of what a fog is. Fog is droplets of water in the air.
Yeah.
So this device will do that. So the plate just vibrates like thousands of times a second and creates millions of droplets of water, very small.
Is it faster than a hummingbird?
Oh, yeah. Now, this thing here is a safety switch. If the water level drops below that, then it doesn't operate. And that's just because we don't want to burn this out. So we wanted a safety switch. Having said that, you now know how it operates, and I turn it back over to Kendall.
Okay, so since it's all plugged in, well, except for this part.
I'll plug that in for you.
Thank you. As you can see right here, it is off. So, Grandpa, can you do these two?
I got it. I got that one.
I'm going to do
this
three at a time, and I think it's going to be really cool. 1,
Two,
2, 3. As you can see, there's a lot of smoke. Or, well, fog.
Can you see it going across the table?
Well, that's cool. And watch this. So now I'm going to turn some lights off and then put a light on it. So now what I'm going to do is I turned every single light off in this room, and I turned this lamp on. Let's turn these things on. So now I'm going to blow it on the table, and with the light, you can see how it really glides across the table. This is so much fun.
Yeah, you can see where it goes pretty easily.
Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and put in the comments below what you would like me to do for a future video. Bye!